of nature. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skills. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spits water at bugs. The bugs fall into the water, where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the ground. Its home has a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The spider hides in its tunnel to hunt. Beaver. Beavers chew through tree trunks. They make dams out of trees, mud, and stones. Chameleon. Chameleons change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon. Flying dragons have skin on their sides that open like wings. They jump and glide from tree to tree. Leaf insect. The body parts of leaf insect look just like leaves. These animals blend in well with real leaves on trees. Leaf rolling weevil. The female leaf rolling weevil rolls a leaf into a cone. She lays her eggs inside the cone. The leaf hides and protects her eggs. Praying mantis. The praying mantis holds its front legs in a praying position. The mantis have 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Mole. Moles dig tunnels to find and eat worms. These animals have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragons. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy parts help them to catch food and hide them from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals can come in many shapes and sizes. They are all wonders of nature.
Good job! Press and hold the left, right, and up arrows to help the mouse catch the falling letters and correctly spell each word.
Silk, wool, feathers, and silk are examples of animal fibers.
Yep. Oh, that's definitely not good.
Ready to unscramble? Buggy unscramble. Put the bug parts in the right order to spell your word correctly.
Glide. A canoe can glide through water, and a glider can do the same on air.
G-I-L-D-E-E-I-I-I-I
Very nice.
Dam. The beaver used sticks and mud to build the dam to hold back the river water.
Very nice.
Nature. Animals, plants, and land are all part of nature.
Very nice.
Good job.
I always sneeze for some reason. Achoo! Like that. Nature.
Nature. Nature includes the natural.
What's this hang mouse? You know what? Crossword!
And now, it looks like we're still building your puzzle. Crossword! Is it ready yet? They're waiting. Okay. And now, it's time for crossword!
Nature.
Glide.
Glide. Silk.
Good job.
Easy cakey. I just said easy cakey.
Search the grid for your words. When you find one, click and drag to highlight it.
Damn.
Dam.
Nature.
Nature.
Silk.
Silk.
Nature, bro. I'm not a glider,
Glide.
but my friend's
Good
dad
job.
builds gliders.
Welcome to Vocabulary. Flip the cards and match the words on your list to their picture or definition.
Silk. Glide.
Synonym of
Embankment.
Embankment.
Silk.
antonym of
Jerk. Nature. Dam.
synonym of
Embankment.
That's how we.
Strong threads made by a spider or silkworm. Silk. Nature. Glide. Nature. Nature.
antonym of
Jerk. Glide.
Good job.
It gave me 0 brainers. Now I don't know what to freaking do.